I will show you how to delete apps on iPhone. There are several ways to delete applications on iPhone. Easy way to find applications on your iPhone home screen. For example, here I want to delete the Zara application. Long press, then click Remove App. Delete app. Then go to the search column, type Zara. Is the application no longer there? Then another way. Go to Settings, click General, then to iPhone Storage. Select which applications you think you want to delete. After that, delete the app. These are some ways to delete applications on iPhone.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.